This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Figure out the code to help Laurel get all the treasure. Oh wow, we're going to use a lot of blocks. So right now we got 1 in our workspace, true, and we can use up to 10. So I'm just going to start throwing code down. I bet we're going to need repeats, but it's really good to visualize stuff first. So I'm just going to start putting down blocks. I know I need to go east, and looks like I need to get a gym. East and get a gym? East and then get a gym and then east again, okay? And then I'm going to want to go south, and I'm going to skip the gyms right now. Just south, south. I'm just trying to figure out the math on this guy. And then would I go west maybe? And again, you can always be wrong in code. You can test stuff. Look, I'm all over the place. I'm 13 blocks out of 10 right now. That's fine. I want to see if this works or what doesn't work. Okay. Oh, awesome. So I turned at the right spot too. Great. So now I know that this is going to be the right count at least. So let me go back through and start adding get a gym, and we'll test it that way. And again, I'm so far wrong. I'm way over, and that's great because I'm testing. I'm trying to figure it out. It's a puzzle. And I'm just going to keep going. I think I'd need to go west after that again. How many times? 4 times, maybe? 4, and then we should be getting the gyms. Great, let me test all that now. Because you can test a bazillion times. Okay, where am I at? Okay, I'm here, yeah. Okay. Boom. Oop. And now I went too far, notice. And I didn't get a gym. And that's the handy thing about testing. Alright, so it should work now, but look, 25 blocks is way too many. So let's take a look at our code. There has to be a way to use repeat. Well, I go east and I get a gym, I go east and I get a gym, I go east, wait a minute, boom, 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 okay, and then I start going south. Oh wait, but then I go south again, and again. Oh, and then I start going west. But wait, I go west again. And again, and again, and again. Interesting. So, east 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. I repeat myself 4 times. Huh. And then I go south and get a gym, I go south and get a gym, and I go south and get a gym. I repeat myself 3 times. Then what do? I go west and get a gym, 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 west and get a gym. I repeat myself 5 times. Okay? So, and this one was just 4. So I'm going to drag this into here, and then I'm going to get rid of this, and this, and this, and just put it here. Okay? Because now what repeat does is it will repeat the code inside of it, these blocks. Watch. I'll go east, I'm going to step through it, and then I'm going to pick up this gym. Boom. And now the computer hits the bottom of this pink mouth-ish thing and says, oh, that was 1 time. I got to go 4 times, though. So second time, I'm going to go east. Second time, I'm going to get a gym. Hits the bottom. Zoop. Third time, I'm going to go east and get a gym. Bottom. Zoop. Last time, it's the 4th time. East and get a gym. Now, if there was any code beneath this, the computer would then drop out of the loop and run that code. Well, that's good, because we're going to have code beneath it. We now need to repeat something else. Going south. Let's try that. Good. Oh, it's blocking. That's fine. Zoop, zoop, zoop. And now we're there. So now what do we need to do? We are going to need another repeat for this code. And if we want to test it, we can just attach 2. And watch, after all of it runs, it will run these 2 beneath it. We could also have code above it, not in our loops, or not in our repeat blocks. That works too. It would just run that code and then run repeat. So, yep, that worked. Let's check it out with 3 repeats. This one was tough. Maybe. Woohoo! We did it. Onward.